Bonjour! Welcome back to the Disney Kitchen. Today we're going to be making the gray stuff. Thank you, Abby from Texas, for requesting this recipe. I'm sure it is going to be delicious. And if you don't believe me, you can ask the dishes. I'm kidding, you can't. They don't talk. So first to start, we have this big bowl. Going to whisk together a 5-ounce package of vanilla pudding and 2 1/4 cups of milk. We're just gonna whisk it until it's smooth. Yeah, I think it looks pretty smooth. Now I'm going to cover the vanilla pudding and let it sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Now while the vanilla pudding is setting, we're gonna crush up the Oreos. I know this is going to be a good dessert because Oreos are my favorite. So I've got 18 Oreos. I scraped the middle out of it, and I'm gonna put them in this bag to crush them up. Like, you can see it says Oreo on the bag now from the Oreo cookies. Right. It's not done yet because we want it to be in really fine pieces. Oh, my arm. I think I got it. Yes. Very fine crumbs. Okay. That's done. All right, I've got my scissors and my piping bag. I'm gonna put this thing in the piping bag and cut off the tip. Then I'm going to put on my tip and the screw. All right, the pudding has been setting for like 15 minutes. And now I'm gonna fold in the Oreo crumbs. Oh my gosh. Is there anything better than the smell of Oreos? I'm gonna fold it in with my spatula this time instead of whisking it. Make sure you combine it really well. The gray stuff. And now I've got about 4 3/4 cups of whipped topping, and I'm gonna fold that into the rest of the mixture. Oh my gosh, it almost fell out of the bowl. It's like completely turning white. This is crazy. I'm actually not folding it in anymore. So this looks like a cookies and cream pudding ice cream to me. I guess that's what the gray stuff is. All right. This has been sitting in the fridge for about an hour, and now we're gonna pipe it out. I'm gonna put it in a piping bag, but if you don't have a piping bag, you can also use like a sandwich bag or gallon-sized bag. And just cut a hole. Okay. This will not be like the Dole Whip. I can do it. And this is like a star-shaped tip, I think. Oh, how pretty. Except it's kind of like, no, cookie crumb. There's a cookie crumb stuck. I don't think I like this shape. I'm gonna change it. So lesson learned, if you don't crush up your cookies good enough, then they could get caught in the piping tip. But hopefully they won't. I'm gonna pipe it out now. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And another cookie got caught. It was beautiful. That's sad. Ugh, I am so done with this. Okay, but you don't have to do this the way I did it. If you crush up your cookies better, you don't have to live through this horrible pain. But before the cookies got caught in it, it did work really well. So that's good. So if you're like me and you didn't crush up your cookies good enough, you can use a toothpick to get it out of the piping tip. Wow, that is a big cookie chunk. As it turns out, if you didn't crush up one cookie good enough, you didn't crush up any of them good enough. So I'm actually just gonna take off my piping tip. I think I actually just needed a bigger piping tip, but I don't have one, so I just cut the bag so it's bigger. And I'm going to pipe it. It's going to be very pretty this time. Big old swirl right there, and a big swirl there, bigger swirl there, and we're just going to keep swirling up. Oh, fill in the middle so it doesn't fall, and there. Bam! Wow, that is awesome. And I mean, I already know it's going to taste good because it's Oreos, but we have to try it. All right. We're going to try it. I'm so excited. This is so cool. Adding those extra Oreos was definitely good. This is amazing. I mean, you know I love chocolate. Like, this is so cool that you can make this at home. I've actually never had it at Disney World before. That's really good. Thank you so much for baking with me. Let me know if you ever try making the gray stuff from Beauty and the Beast and how it turns out. And I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong. Oh my gosh.
It's kind of brown.
No, it doesn't. Ow, my ears. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie a napkin around your neck, sure. We're about to rest. Soup du jour, only live to serve. This is a really long song. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Au revoir.